In Windows, if you want to run the bat file, you have to have a Windows computer set up under the command line to run the bat files, otherwise it will not work. For that you have to go and download the ADB platform tools. So just go to Google and search SDK platform tools, and once you search it, you should see the first link is say Android developers, and that's the website developer.android.com. You click on it, and once you click on it, it will give you this download page. So you have to download SDK platform tools for the Windows. You download for the Windows and you say blah blah blah, you say okay, and then you say download. It's downloading the tools for you. It's downloaded right here. You go and open the file, and it is zip file, so you have to unzip it. If you don't have an unzip software, you can go to the 7-zip, and then you go to the download and download. Most likely these days everybody use 64-bit, so you download the 7-zip. Once it's downloaded, you install. It says install finish. You said okay, and now the file you download, the platform tools for SDK, you copy that from your download folder, then you go to your C drive, which is your Windows, and then you copy here, paste here under the C drive. Once you paste the file here, then you unzip it using right click on it, and then go to the zip, and then you go extract files, not the here, the first, the extract file. You click on it and it will unzip it for you. So that's where it is, unzip it. These are the SDK forms. Now you copy and unzip the platform tools. Now you have to set up the path for the Windows to know where you download and save those. So for that, you press on your Windows key on your keyboard and R key. So it will pop this menu, the run command, Windows and R key. So if I press Windows and R, it will come up, and then I type SYS system direct manager, I believe, and then .cpl. This will pop up the system properties for me. Then I click on the advanced, then I will click on the environment variables, and then I go on the system variable, that's the second window right here, and then I click on the path, and then I click on edit, and then I go and click on new, and then when I click on the new, we will open this, and then I go browse, and I save this under my PC C drive, and that's where I saved Windows platform here. So I click on it and I click OK, so it will show up my path, and then I click OK, click OK, click OK. Sometimes you have to restart your computer for them to take the change. Sometimes it'll take automatically, and then you go to that folder where you have that bat file saved. You open that folder, on the address bar you type cmd, and it should pop up the command line for you, and up here you just type the file name. So on this case it say remove underscore here .bat, and I click enter. Since I don't have any phone running, that's why I'm saying this. So that's how you set up your computer so you can run the bat file. You have to download the tools, unzip it on C drive, and then you have to give the path for that location using Windows R and systemdm.cpl, and then you go to the advanced and then variable and then path and then new, edit and then new, and then you give the path for that directory. Sometimes you have to restart, and that's how you set up your computer so run ADB files or ADB commands. And there's another part where you have to configure your cell phone, so when you plug into your computer you can see and you can able to run this bat file. I will show you in this another video. Thank you.